Hello and welcome to another video on our KEYENCE software solutions. Today, we're going to be looking at the Enterprise Browser, our proprietary web browsing application. To find it, swipe from bottom to top on your KEYENCE mobile computer. Then select the Enterprise Browser. It's the application with the globe icon. When you first open the application, the default web page will be blank. You'll need to either copy and paste your desired URL, type it in manually, or use our barcode scanner to scan a QR code that contains your URL. So long as you are connected to the internet and press the Enter key, the web page should load without issue. You may notice there's an icon with the number 1 at the top right. If you tap on this number, this will allow you to view your current open tabs. These will be numbered sequentially. You can open a new tab by pressing the plus icon towards the center, and to close a tab, you can press the X icon to the right of each tab. To add one of these pages as a bookmark, go ahead and tap the 3 dots at the top right. Then select Settings. Press the Bookmark tab and select Bookmark 1. You can either type in your desired bookmark or press the Use Current Page button at the bottom left of the screen. Once you've created a bookmark, you'll be given the option to select it when creating a new tab. You can also select it by pressing the 3 dots and the bookmark option at the top right. If you ever need to refresh the application, you can press the little arrow icon at the top right or fully close the program. Returning to the Enterprise Browser's menu, you'll see a few different options in addition to your bookmark settings. The Adjust Size setting will open up a menu that allows you to adjust the overall display, font size, and text size of the application. We also have a built-in autofit feature that will attempt to fit the web page onto the screen properly based on its requirements. Returning to the previous menu, let's look at the general settings of the Enterprise Browser. If you would like to restrict users from accessing different websites, you should try out our full screen mode. This mode comes with 2 options. The Enable Status Bar On option allows you to lock the user into the Enterprise Browser, but it leaves the status bar open so a user may surf the web. The second option, Enable Status Bar Off, turns off the URL bar to disable web surfing, and it also locks the user within the Enterprise Browser application. If you select the Disable option, this mode will no longer function. You can also add a password to either mode. You simply need to select the option above the full screen mode to enable a release password. This password is saved locally on the device itself. If you do lose this password or forget it, you'll need to factory reset the device. This is an example of full screen mode with the status bar disabled. To exit full screen mode, you will have to hold down the triangle key at the bottom left of the screen. You will need to enter your release mode password if you've enabled this setting. Additionally, with the status bar off, you will not be able to open any additional tabs within the Enterprise Browser. They will either have to be pre-existing tabs or saved bookmarks in order to be opened. To wrap up this video, we'll go over the remaining Enterprise Browser settings. We have a few options from previously. If you'd like to adjust the display of your web page, you have the zoom and autofit features here, as well as the text scaling and font sizes. Beneath those are our privacy settings. You can choose to enable JavaScript, cache, and cookies for the Enterprise Browser. In the Delete History section, you'll be able to clear cache and cookies automatically when you close the Enterprise Browser. If you wish to do this manually, you can press the Run Now button at the bottom left of the screen. This will automatically clear whatever options are selected within this menu. A few additional privacy settings can be found in the advanced settings, such as blocking pop-up windows and tracking information. You can also choose additional features like keeping the device's screen on while the Enterprise Browser is enabled and reloading the application upon launching. If you would like to adjust the web view of the Enterprise Browser, you can do so here in the User Agent setting. There are 9 unique preset options available for you to choose from. The 9th option is user-defined. You can manually adjust this preset to your desired web view settings. And that concludes our video on the Enterprise Browser. If you'd like to learn more about this application or have questions about our other software solutions, feel free to call our support number and select option 2, or reach out to us live on our website.